Hi everyone, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and today we are going to be making cute Santa treat boxes that we can give treats to teachers, neighbors, friends, co-workers for the holidays. If you are new to my videos, please subscribe and make sure to ring that bell so you will be notified when a new craft tutorial video is released. I've already got the design here in my Cricut design space, and you can use this design as well. The link for it will be in the description or in the blog post. Now, a little note about this design is if you want to resize this, you totally can. Just make sure that you highlight everything when you resize, so everything is changed. And then use this line, this score line, and this score line for your width. So let's say I wanted to make this 3 inches wide. Let's see. Oh, I need to go down a little bit. There, it is about 3 inches wide from 5 to 8, which is about 3 inches. So just again, make sure that you have everything highlighted if you want to resize. I already had it sized exactly how I wanted for my candy bars. So I'm going to come up here and just undo to get back to my original size. And then we are ready to make it. So I'm going to click on make it. And then since we're using paper, I'm going to be cutting on a mat. And here are the different mats that I need and the different colors. I don't need to mirror because we are using paper. So we can just go ahead and click continue. It's connected to my maker, so now I need to pick out my material, which is about a 60-pound cardstock. We'll say 80, and then pressure is just more, okay? And then right here it tells you exactly what I need, when I need to put in the pen, when I need to put in the scoring stylus, and all of that fun stuff. We are starting with the white layer, which means that we need the pen in clamp A. So we're going to push that in. Load our mat. And begin the cut. Now to take this off of our mat, we're going to turn our mat upside down. And then that way we won't have, our paper won't bend from removing it from the mat. Then on to our next layer. Now that we have all of our pieces cut, it's time to assemble. And to assemble, we're going to need some double-sided adhesive. I love these little snails, they're my favorite. And a bone folder. And we're gonna start by building on this black piece. So, and just layering. So let's add some adhesive. Whoop. And you can see it's really pretty easy to layer. And we have our little dots. It can be hard to put this adhesive on, but we got it. Okay, so there's the main face of our cute little Santa. Isn't he cute? And now let's use our bone folder, and we're gonna fold these pieces nice and crisp. Oh, we do have more. Okay, and then we're going to put a line of tape right here on this tab. And just folding it over. Okay, and now let's put on our cute little Santa face. And with this, we want to make sure that the white sides are up against each side of that box. Just like that. We can put on our Merry Christmas. And same thing, that's just going to go right along the bottom of the box. White fluff at the end of Santa's hat and a little black button. Uh-oh. That I now glued to my table. There we go. Okay, and then we just have to close our box. And to do that, I'm going to put a little bit of glue or adhesive, whatever you want to call it, right there. And just close him up. And there is our cute little Santa box. Isn't he so cute? Now all he needs is some candy to go inside of him. And I have got a couple of options. So let's see our Reese's, if they fit. Oh, look how cute. Our Reese's fit perfectly. Or M&M's, this is the share size. I don't think this one's gonna fit. Nope, that one won't fit. I've also got these Hershey's. I've got a Hershey's milk chocolate and a Hershey's with almonds. The almonds are my favorite. And look at how cute that is. That would make such a great gift. And I also made a larger version that you can see that is holding a bag of high chews. So if you wanted to make a bigger version, that is definitely an option. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. While you're here, make sure to check out my home base, thecraftyblogstalker.com. And as always, happy crafting! Bye everybody.